Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Pig and Horse and the Something Scary by Zoey Abbott. Please enjoy. Pig and Horse and the Something Scary. One morning, Pig woke up feeling a bit out of sorts, so she decided to go over to Horse's house. I have something in my head, and it's scaring me, Pig said. What is it? Said Horse. I can't say. I'm trying to ignore it. Perhaps if we take whatever it is for a bike ride in the sunshine, it will go away. Horse offered. Maybe. What a Pacific ride, explained Horse. Quite lovely, answered Pig. But it's still there. I have an idea. A dunk and splash. Will a swim make it go away? Horse wondered. Pig thought it worth a try. It's still there, Pig whispered. My word, still. Perhaps if we get you to laugh really hard, it will go away. Horse thought this was her best idea yet. You look ridiculous, Pig, Horse giggled. It's not funny, and besides, it's getting worse. Horse took Pig's hand. You might have to let whatever it is out, but I'm scared. Let's see. Bike rides, swim, and silly hats don't seem to be working. What is true? They are not working. Then a Horse offered a serious plan. Why don't we invite whoever it is to tea? I don't think we'll be able to handle it. Of course I will, Pig. And besides, tea time brings out the best manners in everyone. So Pig, Horse set to work baking and making. When the wobble jelly was set, the chocolate cake cooled and iced. The cones just right, and the watercress sandwiches sliced and arranged, and the flowers masterfully chosen. Horse said, "Are you ready?" And Pig said, "If you are sure about this." Horse said she was sure. Pig closed her eyes. What was that? Horse trembled. It's the night. I'm afraid of night, Pig yelled out. Let's sing our favorite song, cried Horse. Live in the sunshine, swim in the sea, drink of wild air. They sung and sung and sung. As the night are more and more cake, the night became smaller. And smaller, and smaller. There's more, Pig said. This time it was sticky and thick like jam. What is it? Horse asked. Sometimes I'm scared of being alone. I'm here, said Horse. Take my hand. The loneliness drank cupful after cupful of tea. Pig and Horse held hands until the lonely jam melted away. But there was still more. What is that? Horse gasped. It's a story I read at bedtime last night. This is a very scary story, Horse thought. Maybe they should run. But there was only one thing to do. Keep following the plan. The pig poured the last drop of tea for the storybook creature. The creature inhaled it. Pig offered wobble jellies, scones, and sandwiches. The creature ate every crumb. And just as Pig worried she had nothing else to offer, she noticed the leftovers night. Then Pig remembered something about dogs. This gave her an idea. Just like that, Pig felt a great weight lift from her shoulders. She felt the corner of her mouth lift, too. Tea time had worked. That evening, Pig and Horse made a double batch of pasta with ice, with cream sauce and grilled asparagus. How are you feeling now, Pig? Horse asked. Much better now that I know that night likes cake and a song. Loneliness like tea and a hand to hold. And whatever I want, I can write my own ending for the storybook creature. You wrote a really good ending this time, Horse said with relief. But then, just as they were sitting down to eat, Pig thought she heard something in the garden. She decided to have a look. What do you think it was in the garden? There was nothing there. Just in case, Pig said. We have more than enough. Horse agreed. Well, I guess the pig was afraid of the nighttime, huh? Now, how many of you have the similar thing happen to you? Let me know with a thumbs up. Just curious. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my readings? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading will be over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.